Hi everybody, it's Jopocomo and welcome back to another vlog. Today I will be going to school, so I don't know if I'll get footage from there. I never do. But anyway, if I don't get any footage from there, I'll see you after school. Oh yeah, I got my hot chocolate now. Time to go to school. Okay, so I'm back from school. I don't know what I'll be doing yet, but when I figure out what I'm doing, I'll come back. So I'll see ya. So yeah, I'm just having a little after school snack, as you can see here. And then I'm going to go for a walk, so I'll see ya there. I was going to go for a walk, but it's gonna be rain. It's like big cloudy out here. And yeah. When it's rain, the spot in the teacher. Well, it's kind of empty right now. We're gonna fill up holes. We're all the way out there to make the water go there, so it's in the blood here, then right out. Please, please. Look at that, so fluffy. And my baby Charlie. Hi, Charlie. Charlie. You hear the dance bird scratch? Dance bird, little Charlie. Ooh. Yeah, got a fridge there. And then my punching bag. So right now I'm going in the boot to find something, so I'll see you there. Right down in the loop, cinematography over. No, the what do you call that? Video, obviously, but yeah, won't be the best because it's pretty dark and it's witchy. Okay, so let's go there. Grab onto that pillar. Go there. There's a whole guitar here on drum set. There's all my razor mount packaging. We got a big bottle here. Tell me if you want me to make a video with that, and give me some ideas if you have some. Put them in comments and I'll try my best to do so. I found a little box here. Yeah, I've got a few things in here. I've got a few Lego boxes with balls. I've got the ball, a boy from Power Rangers. Got a little gun. I've got a little gun here that's broken. Okay, got some binoculars. Yeah, some adventure some adventure gun. Oh, I got a stormtrooper here, focus. Yeah, we got a stormtrooper. I get a jab of the head. Come on. I've got a focus. Why you not focus on the Ewok? Focus. Anyway, yeah. Can box you whatever you want. Not well, okay. Now mind and get a little Anakin. Is that it, Mr. Towel? No, I got a look here. That all. Oh, I got another stormtrooper. I got. Let's see. I got. Is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. So let's get down. So I've got my dinner here, had some, and gonna finish finish that and then maybe I'm gonna go for a drive. So see ya. So I just finished the drive, so I didn't get any footage before, but yeah. So I'll see you with whatever I'm doing next. Probably won't be anything because as you can see it's 7:33 right now, so yeah. Okay, so that's today's vlog's done. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really want you to hopefully to smash that like button and let's get to 20 likes just because I can, because it will be really good. And so I'll see you next video.